The narrative around global aviation dominance has always been about technology and firepower. Stealth, radar, missiles, but what if we're looking at it all wrong? What if the real battle isn't in the skies, but in the factories and the balance sheets? New data reveals a seismic shift. China is not just building a powerful air force, it is executing a calculated economic blitzkrieg to capture the entire global aviation market. And by 2030, the landscape could be unrecognizable. Let's look at the numbers. On the surface, 2024 seems competitive. China is producing an estimated 250 to 300 military aircraft per year. The United States follows with 180 to 220, and Europe contributes another 60 to 70, a stable three-player game. But this equilibrium is a mirage. The critical differentiator isn't today's volume, it's China's cost structure and its long-term strategic intent. China's publicly stated goal is to produce over 400 aircraft annually by 2030. This isn't just scaling up, this is a deliberate move for production primacy. This single nation's output would surpass the combined production of the United States and Europe. This volume isn't solely for its own military. These are export volume numbers designed to flood the global defense market. But how are they achieving this? The answer lies in three structural advantages. The one, China controls the entire supply chain, from the rare earth elements essential for modern electronics to a now mature engine ecosystem. This negates foreign sanctions and allows them to dictate final cost. Two, they are building gigafactories for aviation. These expansions are not for domestic need alone. They are assembly lines for the world, built with a scale that Western competitors cannot match. Three, it's not just the sticker price. By combining advanced radar and missile tech with significantly lower maintenance and operational costs, China creates an irresistible value proposition for cost-conscious nations in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. And this is not confined to military might. The exact same playbook is being applied in parallel battles. In civil aviation, China is developing 4 new engines, and its indigenous planes like the COMAC C919 are poised to break the Boeing-Airbus duopoly. And in the nascent eVTOL market, the future of urban air mobility, Chinese prototypes are already promising to undercut Western competitors dramatically. They are building dominance in the skies of tomorrow today. This presents the West with a quintessential innovator's dilemma. They face 2 stark choices. 1. Can they radically innovate to lower their own cost structures, disrupting their own high-margin business models? Or 2. Do they retreat, relying solely on political alliances and sanctions, thereby conceding the vast and growing non-aligned global market to China? The data suggests a clear trajectory. China is not just competing within the existing market rules. It is architecting a new market reality where sheer production capacity and ruthless cost efficiency become the ultimate strategic weapons. Because the era of aviation dominance determined solely by whose jet is more advanced is ending. The new era will be won by whoever controls the factories, the supply chains, and the economic logic of the industry. China has laid its cards on the table. The question is, how will the world respond? This is Global Arena. Analyze the shift. Understand the future. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next analysis.